Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So this will be useful for people that, as an example, like to record gameplays or just maybe some kind of informative video like I am doing right now. So to get started, all you will need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recording toggle somewhere in here. Now there is a couple pages to it, as you can see. So if you can see it on the first one, check on the second one. And as you can see for me, it is right over here, screen recorder. It is literally the last toggle. And this is the default position of all the toggles. So I assume for you, it will be in the same place as it is for me if you haven't changed anything. So once you find it, you can hold it. And this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it a little bit. So we have things like video resolution. You can change it, although apparently 720p is the highest. That's pitiful. We have a bitrate, which, to be honest, for 720p, 24 megabits per second is way too high. I'm going to select it to be 16. Number of frames, 60. That's good. You can drop it to 30 if you want to save space. Dropping it by 30, basically half of the frame rate, will also result in the file size being half. So instead of, for instance, 60 frames taking 1 gigabyte per minute, the 31 will take half a gigabyte. So if you prioritize space and don't care about the smoothness of the video, you can choose this one. But personally, I prefer the smoother frame rate, which is what I'm going to stick with right here. Then we have audio source. We have a couple options. We have no audio, internal audio, or microphone audio, voice and surrounding. So just microphone. There's no way to select both of them apparently, so choose whichever one you want. And additionally, we have a couple toggles which you can toggle at your leisure. So once you went through all the settings, you don't actually have to come back here ever again after customizing this. And whenever you want to now record, simply click on the toggle. Start recording by tapping on the red circle. And there we go, it's already recording, as you can see by the timer. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So there we go. Once you're done, interact with this little overlay right here and select the square to stop recording. And that recording can now be found in your Photos application. So by default, you should see this page right here with photos, which if you haven't taken any photos, it will be empty, like it is for me. But you want to swipe to the side to your collections, where you'll find albums. And one of them will be screenshots. Okay, it's not in screenshots, my bad. So video recording or screen recording right here. And let's play it. I'm also going to close this so it's out of the view. So there we go, that's the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.